you're providing so much value. I work full-time as a software engineer. I didn't really have much experience or hands-on, I didn't have like much marketing experience coming into this either. So I would say like joining a community, joining something like yours, you've gone over like how to structure it, what to offer. Literally like within weeks, I closed like 3 clients. This is wild.
Hey Quintessa, thank you for taking this call. So let us know like where you're based and what you currently do and just more about yourself.
Yeah, absolutely. So I'm Tessa. I'm based in Chicago. I work full-time as a software engineer. I work at a performance marketing company. They're headquartered in New York, and have a great job as a full-time engineer, being able to work remotely. And then also, on the side, I also run like AI business. So I help with like automations and building out AI strategies, AI systems and solutions through my company, Blackjack to Horizon.
Nice. So what was your experience with AI solutions and building AI architectures before you joined Agent Rise?
Yeah, great question. Honestly, not okay. So I'll put it like this. I'll say, apart from my experience as a software engineer and then also using like generative AI tools to assist with like coding in the day-to-day, I didn't really have much experience or hands-on like experience and exposure, I would say, in that regard. So it's like very limited coming.
Yeah. How would you say that the Agent Rise program has helped you get better at building AI solution architectures and also landing, some of the clients that you have landed for your AI business?
Yeah, absolutely. I would say, honestly, in joining the community, I think the main thing that it's helped with like a lot of things, right? But the main thing it's helped with is like instilling the confidence to start, and just like wherever you are in your journey, to just start. And even before you're ready, just kind of like take that small step, join, and joining the community, like you're providing so much value, like a ton of value. You're constantly updating your system, your modules, giving exposure to those in the community, to the tools and AI tools that you're using for your clients, and providing exposure to us. And
thank you. Yeah. Thank you. I appreciate that. I know that, while you've been a mentee, you've definitely progressed very, very well, right? You now have an agency and you have a SaaS. We'll get into that in a bit. But to walk us through the story of landing your first client.
Yeah, absolutely. There's so many things I could touch on with that. Like again, coming into this, didn't know so much about like really how to position an offer or how to structure it, how to price it. I'm good at engineering, but I knew like coming into it, sales would be like my weakness, and even marketing for that matter. So nonetheless, I was like, I think I told you this before, but I quickly kind of like ran ads, and approached it that way, and did through Meta and stuff. And I had some warm leads still from that, but nothing like no actual like deals from it. And I heard you talking about landing clients through Reddit, and I even knew, like, I heard you saying that while I was like running ads, but I'm like, Reddit, really? I was like, okay, probably not now. Like maybe that worked for him then, but maybe not now. And after spending too much money on ads, then I was like, okay, let me give it a try. Literally, like within weeks, I closed like 3 clients.
Yeah, I remember.
30 days.
Yeah, I remember it was December, right? Like you had posted it, on the Wins channel. I remember that. Yeah, I was sick. It works. It's been working for years now. If you know how to, you saw the structure that I followed the post, but you follow that structure. I don't know if you know Vishal recently in the community, the guy from Germany. He's landed a 3,000 euro client, right, from Reddit. And that's the power of it. People sleep on it,
I saw that. Yeah, I'm like, this is wild. I spent like 6 months like doing a different approach. I pivoted to that, and at the tail end of last year, I got like 3 clients, like all in December. I was like, this is absolutely wild. So I changed my whole approach and mindset shift on like lead generation, and now I like just double down on that and approaching it differently, and that's led to the Reddit SaaS and things like that, which I know.
Let's actually talk about that. So for those watching, Tesla not only was able to build a successful AI agency right to the Agent Rise program, but she also just recently launched her first ever AI SaaS that complements her entire story about, doing Reddit marketing, getting results through it. So walk us through your Reddit SaaS, just from like a high level overview of like what it is and what the value proposition is.
Oh yeah, for sure. Yeah, so basically what it is, it's an AI powered, Reddit prospecting tool, and it basically automates the process of helping, AI founders, SaaS founders and such find high intent demand, capture that, and, surface them as leads into, your inbox daily. So it's scanning 24/7, and then it's finding people who are looking for solutions to the problems that they're experiencing that you'll provide services for, basically. So surface that in real time, categorize them by paying attention, buying, purchase category, all of that, filtering out spam and bad posts and bots and all that stuff.
Yeah. Good. Yeah. I know you have a good amount of customers already, and you just recently launched your SaaS. What are some growth strategies that you used?
Yeah, that's a good question. So again, I would say like I knew like sales would be a weakness, and then like kind of like marketing. I didn't have like much marketing experience coming into this either. So like your community has helped with that like tremendously, from like just even from a speed standpoint too, of like really advocating to just get that MVP built, and then it doesn't have to be perfect, and then just start posting about it in public. So I took your approach of building in public and posting on X, because they have a very friendly tech community, surprisingly. And so I got my account back, not back, but I just got my account like logged back in and started posting on there and sharing my journey and documenting what I was building out loud, and gained some followers. Like I had 10 at first, and bumped that up to like 10x, so like 100 within like a few weeks and stuff. And people were like really interested. I started gaining traction like very early, and that has led to like other opportunities, such as like very signups and even being featured in articles and things like that, So I would say as of now, surprisingly, yeah, it's been like through X. And then of course I'll use my own tool to market my...
Yeah, right. Use your own Reddit tool to market itself on Reddit. That's like a cool infinite money glitch almost. Now, what is some advice you would give to anyone who is starting their AI business today?
It's a good question. I would say
use Reddit.
Feel free. We got you. And I would say really going like kind of stripping away all the AI tools and everything that's out there, kind of just starting with like the mindset shift of things. And I know that's something you've touched on in your modules. I think it's very key is like removing those limiting beliefs, or kind of tapping into whatever limiting beliefs that you might have. And then honestly, just start. You don't have to have it all figured out. Just put one foot in front of the other. Those small wins, honestly, like they compound. And I think this kind of touches on your community, which I've noticed, like people are really good at like sharing like their wins, and they might not be like, sometimes they're not huge. Like we got our LLC, or we got like, got this or that approved, or what have you. Like those things, they compound, and like everyone's supporting one another. People are getting big wins, like that guy who got the 3K client, someone got like 20K and things like that. Like we're all just in there. You're surrounded by like-minded people. So I would say like joining a community, joining something like yours, right, where you're surrounded by like-minded people, people who are starting their AI business journey like you, and you can all post and support one another,
right?
Share experiences.
100%. Like I said, a win doesn't always have to be like, like some mentees obviously are having 20K, 3K wins, whatever, but sometimes a win can just be like you made your first Instagram reel, right? You made your first Reddit post, because those are small things that compound, like you said, and eventually lead to like the actual big monetary wins. Another big myth is everyone believes that they have to sell an AI tool, which is not the case. You can sell like a regular product, like a guide, for example. Just use AI to build the guide or to market the guide. That's another big misconception that people have. What is your favorite part about being a mentee in Agent Rise?
So favorite part about being mentee, like in Agent Rise, really I would say I know I touched on this before, but I have to like kind of double down on that and echo it, which is again just it's the difference between like being surrounded by people who are like-minded. Like I went from knowing how to like code and do software and do that for your living, but it helped me to really bridge the gap from that to like how to actually like build an AI business, and to kind of just paint a picture of the different ways in which I can make money, online and offer services, and positioning, how to position my offer as well. You've gone over like how to structure it, what to offer, the high ticket, mid tier, low ticket, the pricing, all of that, right? And how to just kind of move the needle each time throughout the sales process as well, and how to like land clients.
Yeah, no, that's yeah. That's the core processes, that I feel a lot of people lack. It's funny because, like you said, everyone can build now. Like building Claude code is like very easy, but it's like the actual business side and the sales side and marketing side that people need to really dial in on and get just more experience in and more guidance in. Because as building becomes easier, I mean, you see the layoffs in the tech market, right? It's because building just isn't as of a high level skill as it used to be. You have non-coders who are building some cool, great solutions, even in the program. So like, you don't need to know how to code anymore. So now distribution is just attention and how much marketing power you can possibly have to your distribution strategies. Even with your SaaS, right? Like right now, you can probably add a ton of features if you want to the next week, right? But it's really what's going to actually get you paid is going to be the distribution, the marketing, getting testimonies out your current clients, and then growing from there. To wrap this up, what is your plan for the next year?
Yeah, so I would say, apart from growing my Reddit SaaS, getting like at least those 100 plus paid subscribers, another goal that I have of mine over the year is honestly to continue like kind of building up the AI business and, creating some, MRR, right? Some monthly recurring revenue, enough to where it's sustainable. I mean, I would say like if I could even get to a point where I'm like making like just as much what I'm making now, then like that's like my number one goal, honestly, right now. But yeah, and helping businesses, whether it's local or people who are be online or through the communities, like I actually just enjoy like helping and whatever it is that they need, and seeing like how I can either provide some AI solutions, system automations, and things like that. So I'm like always down to help out and work with people.
I agree, and Reddit is only increasing popularity, so there's no reason you don't, right? Again, just follow the strategies, execution guys that we have. Also, like, just adapt, look at your data, look at try to identify your own bottlenecks, right? And see, with this part right here, like maybe my X marketing isn't as good, or I'm getting a lot of clicks on my links via X, but not a lot of signups. So maybe what's the reason? The messaging off, and just dialing in each like micro part of your funnel from different sources. Now, last thing, is AI replacing jobs? Like, what is your take on AI replacing jobs? Like, how serious is it? What should people like think that this is just like a passing phase, or they should actually like lock in right now before they do get replaced? Like, what is your take on that?
Ooh, great question. Another good question. I would say absolutely lock in. Absolutely. That was another like motivating factor for me starting my business as well, honestly. Even though I am like, gainfully employed, fortunately, knock on wood, you never know though when that, it's at will, right? It's a contract and they could just let you go. So you never know. So I absolutely say lock in and, learn and do what you can. Cause I definitely think this is not just a trend. It's not a phase. It's integrated now in like literally every part of our lives. It has been actually in some ways already, right? Through other tools that are out there like Grammarly or what have you. However, it's now taking off, and it's especially a good time now to start before a lot of other companies here start catching on to this wave and start.
Yeah.
So
yeah. Like, we have a moat right now, and it really is, the early bird gets to warm in the AI space. So if you start now, you are setting yourself up for a good amount of success in the future and safety. But now the job market isn't really a safety net. It's almost just having a backup option, which is like a business. Then maybe eventually that if you do have a full-time job, you can go full-time in business if all things goes well, which is the goal for a lot of people. You can work remote, work on your own time, and you're not at the mercy of someone in a suit, basically. So yeah. But no, thank you, Contessa, for hopping on this call and sharing your experience as well as your current journey and what your goals are moving forward. Yeah, thank you.
Absolutely.